Hello, I want to talk to you about 40 facts about Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo, and we are starting right now. Do you know Kingsway? Yes, Kingsway Superstore. Kingsway is the name of one of the biggest supermarkets in Nigeria some years ago. Kingsway store was Nigeria's first departmental store. It started in 1948. It's like ShopRite that we have around Africa today. It's like Walmart in the United States. Kingsway International Christian Center is the name of a church started and led by the very dynamic, knowledgeable and mobile evangelist, a Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo. He is the senior pastor of the church with headquarters in London. Here are some things you may not know about the pastor. Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo was born as a Muslim in Zaria. He hails from Ode Omu, a small village in Osun State, Nigeria. He was born on the 17th day of March 1952. His father was a military man. He lived in the barracks while he was growing up. He became a devoted Christian at the age of 20 after the death of his father. He enrolled in a Bible school thereafter. After leaving Bible school and entering the pastoral work, he decided to read books voraciously. He once enlisted in a training on how to read a book of about 100 pages in 2 hours and yet retain 80% of the content. His net worth is over $13 million. The KICC pastor is married to Yemisi Ashimolowo. His wife is a daughter of a pastor. They are blessed with 2 boys together. The children are bankers and they are both married. He experienced tough times while he was growing up. He was a brilliant student but did not have sponsors to support him. His name, Ashimolowo, in Yoruba means we shall be wealthy still. He loved the discipline of the military and initially planned to be a military man. He bought a car for one of his primary school teachers. The teacher featured him on radio when he was in primary 5. He eats once a day and his common meal is akara, and he eats at night. He rarely takes rice, gari, amala and the like. He exercises by playing golf to keep healthy, even though he believes in divine healing. He has visited over 20 countries, but he is on television in about 215 nations. He has written more than 100 books. His spiritual fathers are Pastor E.A. Adeboye and Prophet Abiara. He attended Christ Apostolic Church and later Foursquare Gospel Church. He initially pastored in Foursquare Gospel Church before he went on to start KICC. He has a teaching and prophetic ministry. He distributes clothes and money to several widows in Nigeria every year, and also food. The number of widows reached every year keeps increasing. Pastor Fasheru is the resident pastor of the KICC in Mende, Maryland, in Lagos, Nigeria. The KICC founder stated that the next leader of the church may or may not emanate from his family. He said some spiritual children of his have shown preparedness to take the baton when the time comes. According to him, in an interview, his wife will also be part of the transition, and if his children feel led, they may be involved. He recently started the King's University in his hometown of Ode Omu in Osun State. The Vice Chancellor of King's University is the amiable and humble microbiologist Professor Famurewa. These are some facts about Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo. I hope you have enjoyed it and you can take caution, precaution and postcaution from all this and get inspiration to also do something tangible with your life like Matthew Ashimolowo did. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also please click the notification button. My name is Benga Adetitun. I will talk to you some other time. Bye for now. Subscribe.